Hello, today I want to show you how you can insert pictures, make a sketch with that, to extrude or cut bodies with that. And I will also show you how you can save that so you don't have to do that every time again. We first create a body. You can create every body. I choose a circle and extrude it to 10 millimeters. So now you need the picture. You can do a screenshot, for example, and save that. Click on the face, sketch, click S, and now you can search here for sketch pictures. Picture here. Click on that. I have a picture here, the heart. Select it, and it will gonna be open here. Now see what happened. I put the line here over the whole length, and now you can tip in how long the distance should be. I select 70 millimeters, and this length is 70 millimeters. I go out, click on that again, and now you can do it here. I go out again. I want to have it in the mid, so I choose center line. Here, go in the sketch picture again, and now you can put it in the middle. You see here? It's symmetrically. We do it a bit more transparent. I select 60, okay. Go out the sketch, and I will do a new sketch on the face. Click here, you can see the heart, and now I use the different entities. I select the line. Okay, we see that it's not a real line, so I directly choose the spline. Click here and do a lot of clicks outside of the geometry and stop here. Escape. You can go out. You can remove that a bit. Oh, that looks better. And now we will mirror the entities. For mirroring, you always need a new center line. I do it here in the middle. Yeah. Mirror entities. I want to mirror that about that. Now look at my mouse. You can now select the right click to make OK, and I'm out. Now we go out the sketch, extrude, and we can extrude it. If you want that heart again, you don't need to do it every time again. We can save that at a special place. It's here the design library, and I will show you how to do that. At first, we want to create a new folder. I will call it own library, own lib. Okay, first step. Here, own lib. I delete the feature. The sketch is still there. Go in the sketch, right click, and make a block. Make sure that you select all, and here you can insert the midpoint. I say that is the midpoint. Okay. And now right click again. Now it is a block, so you can save the block at a place where you want to, yeah? You can go this way, but the more easier way is, we are still in the sketch, go library and add to library. You see the block is selected and we click OK. We have a look, it's not there. So we have to refresh and see block 1 is here. Click and pull, and now the midpoint is here. Escape. So SolidWorks directly opened a new sketch. We go out the sketch, click extrude, which sketch it's not selected, so that's not the good way. We select it here and we can extrude 10 millimeters. If you want to have it red, left click, appearances. We don't want the whole body, we only want the feature. Click here and now select the color you want.